my YouTube channel. I am Thomas Eccel, and I wanted to discuss with you today a recent Google Ads B2B account launch where we had some struggles in the beginning, and I wanted to tell you how we overcame them and what was our reasoning in order to get back on track and deliver high quality leads for this B2B client. We started on the 2nd October. We launched the Google Ads account with 2 campaigns in the beginning. It was one product-specific campaign with ad groups themed per product, like service, and the second campaign was a dynamic search ad campaign where we targeted the whole pages, all pages, because we wanted to see more or less what kind of search terms we can get for the generic campaign that we launched like a week later. And yeah, at the beginning, as you can see, normal learning period. We had max clicks with a cap of 1 Swiss franc, so really limited. We didn't know how much really the CPC were. So yeah, the first week was pretty low in terms of spend. CPC was obviously also low, but almost no clicks. So here in the second week, we decided to launch the generic campaign, where we had obviously way more search traffic and search volume, which was a good decision to do. So here, like in this almost third week, the generic campaign went off, and we had a spike in clicks also, up to 24 in one day. CPC was still capped, obviously, so it was stable. And yeah, as you can see here, I think this one was the best period for the algorithm in order to get some search term traffic, in order to see what are people looking for, what is the higher CTR rate on our ads, on our keywords. So like a phase for the algorithm to know more or less where it might be able to spend and might be getting relevant users. But we had a problem here. We didn't get any conversions. We started with a macro conversion tracking, and we didn't get really any leads here. We had 1 or 2, but they were not relevant at all. So we had to decide, okay, we have to deliver now the algorithm more conversion data, more conversion signals. So we decided to implement a micro conversion tracking, which peaked in the beginning at October 24 here. And yeah, we got some time on the page micro conversion tracking in order to just give the algorithm more relevant users conversion signals. And since we implemented micro conversions, we said, okay, we're gonna switch now from max clicks to max conversions, max conversion value, because we already had values on our conversion actions. And what happened? Obviously, Google Ads is not really an auction system. So Google, if you make a lot of changes in your bidding strategy and you lose the settings, obviously Google wants to take everything, and they did here. So the clicks went up to 23. We had to cap that, obviously. So we introduced here a target ROAS bidding. So we put like 20% in the bidding strategy as target ROAS in order to put the CPC back and tell the system, we won't give you everything. We just want, if you deliver us conversions, then we can give you something. And what happened? It was a very good decision. We had more relevant users now, so the traffic was more relevant and higher quality. So the micro conversion went up also here, and the CPC went down, like slowly down, until we had it back to 274 more or less, as we had with max clicks. But now we had better conversion signals. We had target ROAS tracking already set in place, and it was correct. So we didn't over or under deliver with target ROAS. And the cost went then up from November, in the beginning of November. Once the algorithm had enough micro conversions, it could really spend, and it knew where to spend. So if we're gonna check now, not just the micro conversions, but we want to see the leads. Yeah, you can see here, it started really to go off in November, in the first, second week of November until the 3rd, where we peaked 2 days ago. And yeah, we checked the lead quality in November was really good. So all relevant leads for B2B. And yeah, the best thing, the CPC is quite stable, going like from 2 to 3 to 4, which is quite okay for that. And I mean, we can spend, we can get leads, and yeah, also the clicks are pretty good. So it was not a competition problem. It was just really the settings in the beginning, but obviously in a very short time we could deliver already for the client good leads in a B2B sector, which is not always easy. And obviously the cost was not really high. We had a small budget. So yeah, really cool case. And yeah, there you can see the reasoning. Let me know in the comments what you would have changed, or what you thought would have been the best even from the beginning. But yeah, happy to know what you think. Bye bye.